So ayan, welcome back sa our channel. Sa mga bago lang, don't forget to subscribe. Complete happiness. So ito na po yung araw na kung saan, okay? Okay, Bisaya na lang, no? Naglaraga
So
ng
now, good
pletigang
morning,
sa
we're leaving
Katarman,
Katarman.
pakanto sa Tacloban. So this is the 10th batch.
Next location is Tacloban.
Ayan, so by President.
Alam mo,
Of course,
passer
support naman si
from 9
Pidong
batch.
from 9 batch. He's also
Si President sa 9
the
batch.
The President of 9 batch.
Adilat 9 batch. Reunion day. Anamon cook. We're to celebrate tomorrow. 9 batch. 10 batch. Ayan. Okay, pamphlet.
10 batch. Marasa! Wow!
heart just breaks for all the love you've given and all that we share. I promise you I'll always be there. I'll love you always through the highs and the lows, in every season as our story grows. No matter what comes, no matter what stays, you're my forever. I'll love you always. Through the trials of life and the dreams we chase, I find my courage in your warm embrace. With every step we take, together hand in hand, I'll be your rock, your biggest fan. I'll love you always through the highs and the lows, in every season as our story grows. No matter what comes, no matter what stays, you're my forever. I'll love you always. When the stars fade away and the night grows cold, you'll find my love like a story told. In every chapter, in every line, my heart is yours, now and for all time. I'll love you always through the highs and the lows, in every season as our story grows. No matter what comes, no matter what stays, you're my forever. I'll love you always. As we journey on and the years go by, with you, my love, I'll reach for the sky. With every beat of my heart and in all my days, I promise you I'll love you always. As we journey on and the years go by, with you, my love, I'll reach for the sky. With every beat of my heart and in all my days, I promise you I'll love you always.
Asar na. Take one. Yan. Sa'yo tayo mga kapit. Take one. Take one. Take one. Yan. Ay, take one. Wow. Alas sweet na doon. Uy, bakit na tikwan? Sige, tikwan. Tikwan.
Preparation. No, that is final stage. Case preparation na yan. So, that is the last one. And case preparation, ang sunod na sito, pinaka-finale na, final one na investigation, court presentation. Tama, identity present. Sa tulong investigation na to, sa phase tulong na to, preliminary. Hindi ba siya sa nano, duwa, tulong. Preliminary investigation, evidence collection, suspect identification. Pagsunod, follow-up investigation or in-deep investigation. Narito, that is arrest and interrogation. Ulukit na suspect, tama? Ay arrest po. Ano po sa napagtulog? Final investigation, final stage. Case preparation na yan. Para din, court presentation. Pag hindi ko kang lalaki na looking forward, pero kung tama, lumawas talaga. Pero actually, kung ginagawa mo nito, may distinguish niya pagkaiba sa unclassified. Kung sinabi natin unclassified information, not sensitive. Pag confidential, Ano method? Pag mag-combine siya, pag nabutit siya, pinipili-divide the information sa mga tao. Secret. That is, kapag kung nato kayo na kasi type not sensitive, di ba yung secret? Highly sensitive. Paano sa top secret? Nasunod, highest level of classification. So, top... Kailangan kaya kung nakara, tinggali, focus kayo ng mga bulakis. Spirit and focus providing the courage to overcome the challenges that may come your way during examination. Let your light shine and then give the moment to success and achievement. In trust, discipline, the entire examination process into your hands, knowing that your grace always promises. Your peace and assurance will fill the hearts of the believers, guiding them to excel in their endeavors. Lord, in calling you way, in your firewall, heaven will be in their family.
Lagi na picture. Video good. Sana all. Sir, sir.
Lex, sakay na ka mo!
Maybe.
See you later. Karayo man niyo. Sana all, napiki. Pare, tara pare, matapos pakit kayo. Wala pa nagagawin ng plano. Bahan sa pag-aaral. Kailan pagsakay pa yun?
Ay. Yan lumakay mo. Uy, paso-paso.
Yeah, second and last exam.
Yan.
Pasar. Sige ngayon, sagot ngayon, para.
Gado.
Ayun. Balik, si Ataka.
Good luck mga sir. Pagbalik nila mga pan na. Register.
Wala to may gaan. Diri kay. Karang kami sa Mataylos. There are 4. Tama? Of course, punishment. Ano ba yung punishment? Ano yung penalty? You have to discuss that. Sabi, i-discuss mo ito sa kalagaling mo para may baka. Of course, sentencing. Paano mag-sentencing? Then, rehabilitation, including the rights, diba, naman ito kami, fundamental right, no? The rights, no? Rights of the inmates, tama? Ito mga pagbisita, conjugal visit, ano pa? Ang karapatan mo bilang mag-abil sa kung pwede mo ka mahukay, good conduct and allowance, tama? Ayan. Dini-deter. Deter. Para ma-auto din ka na mag-commit, kaya maahado. Deter ang tawag. So, deterrence yun. Of course, retributive justice, na naman ini, to retribution. Kung may sala ka, dapat, naman, negligence. Di ba na ito, retribution? Personal negligence. Anong mabulos, no? Mabayaran mo yung sala kay mo. Kung ginrip mo siya, dapat repon ka na niya. Literal man ito. Apan to, yung, nato kayo na infidelity, dereliction of duty, tama? Ayan. Tama? Bantisas, no? In the BGMP Provincial Jail Bucor and other facilities. So, ano ba yung function? Function and organizations of BGMP Provincial Jail and Bucor. The function nila is that ang BGMP ang control sa city, tama? Yung mga ongoing yung trial. Tama yung mga maipilan yung mga students ongoing yung trial. Yung provincial jails, kasi yung BGMP nandoon yung district jails, municipal jails, tama? So, isa sa municipal jails, may ito deserve sentence, 1 month, 1 day, tama?
Yan, mamauwi mo pa yung aga. So yan na, di pa kami sa gawas. Wala kami nga turog na. Kaya di kami nag-observe, kami nagbantay. Kaya ginuupay. Kaya wala kami ilaw. Ayan. Adto. Maagang maaga, 1:13 in the morning. Early in the morning. Ayan, nag-aayos ng poste. Ayan, shoutout sa Layikaw, ang galing, grabe. Madaling namagin compared sa Tukatarman, no? Pare pa kaming ilaw sa Amon. So, waiting pa bang kayo magkaroon ng ilaw. Tapos, wala masaka. So, time check, 1:13 in the morning. Ada man si Pido. Ada kami sa gawa sa Mayliti Colleges. Yan. Pataklo pa downtown ito nga to. Ada mga sa Amon, right side pa airport, San Jose. And today is the last day. Ayan.
Palbor lang na, palbor.
Ano yan o? Ayun, mga marigo pa.
Hi, vlog!
Hello.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Mingo man din eh.
Hello!
Sino yun naturog? Ay, last day of exam. Tadadad.
Pag alas 12 ka,
No, sa tayo.
ikaw naman. Pag-unay na kung ano, oo. Puros.
Ngaon.
Yo. Sir, tayo dyan.
Hi! So, this is the last day for board examination. And ito yung ginagawa ko early morning, preparing for their phones. Of course, yung bike ko, Rika, and of course, the rest of the students. Kaya na pa actually nagtiraw kami kay Nawala kaming ilaw. Kasi rin naman ito, jewelry. Hindi na ito. Sila din. Kami ng ilaw, guys. What's up? Kala ko sa takala mo lang nag-burn out. Ay, para sa akin lang. Picture sa gabi. Service ko sa umaga. Picture rin po.
Hotdog.
Virginia hotdog. Cucumber.
Boiled egg.
With cellophane. About yung nomination. Cellophane.
Para mapasukan yung integrity ng hotdog.
So meron sila isang boiled egg, may dalawang chocolate, tapos biscuit for your snacks. Of course, may silang dalawang ham today, isang hotdog Virginia with flavorings. And of course, may silang pipino. Kasi yung kalang breakfast for the last day. Basta amplet.
Pasar!
Tawa-tawa yung gano'n kasi nabustot lang. Namustot ko, pagka maugay, wala sa pinangato. In short, halo ay buhay. Wala sa kalbo. Ako na. Ano yung pagtawa? Baka na? Sila pa wala yung pag-claim rice. Empat pa wala pag-claim. Dito, lang sa Empat wala yung pag-claim.
Mamatay na lang yun.
Hashtag.
Ano ba itong mishi ko? Hongit. Jadi ko si Danilo.
Yes!
Dawara! Daka dito kagabi. At ay. Si Sir na siya, gusto ubet na lang. Wala. May tinapay. Ako bala na. Joke. Joke.
Kopi.
Ulat.
Matay na lang yun mo.
Wow!